Alright guys, we are about to pull the Avalanche up to the back because today
the time has come.
We're putting a Procharger on it. Nice. So first thing you want to do, well, what I've already done is I already took all the plastics off. So I'm going to take off the intake. Might have to remove this, but I don't think I do, because I think there's room, and just enough room, because I think it's going to mount right over there. So yeah, I have to remove this pulley, I think. Maybe I don't. So it's going to mount on this end right here, on this head, on this side, in front of this, and it goes facing this way. So yeah, once all this is out of the way, I can start mounting the supercharger. So yeah, let me take this off and then start putting the bracket for the supercharger, taking off the belt and stuff. So yeah, now that I got the intake off, I'm gonna start putting the Procharger first in. Vortech Procharger. Procharger's in here. I'm not gonna take the unit out just yet. I'm gonna take out the parts that I need first, like the bracket and such. Here's all the piping and hoses that I need. I'm gonna take a quick breather and read the instructions, see what I have to do first, and then I'm gonna put it on the truck. Let me show you my process, my progress so far. So I've got the bracket in already, and it's very easy. Once you get this, I recommend you get this first bolt in, and then you slide all the bolts, slide this in there with the bolts on top of it, so you can get that little bottom one mounted and threaded in. So once you get this one lined up, everything else slowly starts to line up, and you could like tighten that one down, the one down here, because there's one below this tensioner. This tensioner has to come out because it gets replaced by a idler pulley that goes here. So this is the pulley you're going to use. You're not going to use this one anymore. You're going to use this one. So it goes connected to the rest of the car. And the kit that I bought from Vortech does bring new pulleys. So I'm going to put this pulley here. This pulley, and I think it brings this pulley, but I don't think no, this pulley stays there. That alternator pulley stays there. Yeah, but I'll keep you guys well informed as I keep going with this, because yeah, I want to get this done. I want to drive this car around, see what it does with this Procharger. I got this pulley right here installed. I got all the brackets mounted, everything. Now we actually have to mount the unit right here. All right. So yeah, okay, the unit right here. I'm gonna pull this out, take it apart, mount it in there, make sure it's all nice and tight, and then we can start making boost. Here's another update, guys. I'm trying to route the belt. It's kind of difficult because of, this fan's in the way, and there's no way I can do anything about it today. I don't have any replacement fans or anything, so this is gonna have to stay for now. I know they sell a kit where you could delete this and put like 2 slim fans over here, but I'm not gonna worry about that now. Let's get this belt on. Connect the piping, fill the supercharger up with fluid, and turn this on, and do a pull. Alright. I think this is the final update because I am almost done. I am currently routing the piping to the Procharger, fitting up the filter now, installing the blow valve. Got some extra piping there. The blow valve is in there, all ready to go. Quick thing. I did have to. I'm currently relocating the coolant reservoir a little more forward, so I have more room, because I'm gonna relocate the intake filter, the air filter, over here, because I don't like the fact that it's so close to the header, getting all the hot air. So I'm gonna put it somewhere over here on this side, so it looks, at least, get some colder air in, because there's cold air gonna be coming in from here. So yeah. But yeah, the next video is gonna be me starting her up. I still have to check the fluid, if there's fluid in it, how the fluid, if it needs an oil change, stuff like that. I think it should have oil in it because they make it ready for you to just put on and go. Aside from that, she's ready to go. I'm just buttoning some things up, putting the pipes on, and starting her up right now. Alright guys, first test drive, here we come. You know, nice and slow, taking her to the gas station. I can put some gas in here. So let's see how she goes. No pulls, no nothing, just relaxed and calm because yeah, I don't want to blow it up. And it says you should, oh, okay, we're dipped in. Okay, I'm putting my camera down so that I can drive away. Actually, okay, here we go. We're moving. She's moving under her own power with the Procharger installed. God damn, this is so terrifying. Oh, here we go. Oof, it sounds so cool. All right, let me put you down so I can go get some gas. All right, quick little pull right here. Oof, it's amazing. The sound is beautiful.
My time has come.